So hello everyone, this is Bilal and I welcome you all in our course that is building planning and drawing using the AutoCAD. Okay. So we have discussed or we have started the third example. Okay. So we have seen in the last video about the ground floor plan, how to do the ground floor plan and how to do the first floor plan. So we have taken the example of G+1 structure and it is of frame structure, correct? So we have seen that one, how to draw the plan. Okay, what are the minimum requirement should be there in the presenting plans. Okay, so these are the minimum requirements. Okay, I will show you here. So the walls, the column positions, the doors, the windows positions, and the projections of the slabs, chhajjas and all. These should be there in any plans. Okay, rather than that, we are knowing that one, the furniture plans, the electric plans, the plumbing plans, all the things, the site plans, everything should be there. But these are the minimum criteria which should be there in the presenting plans. What is meant by presenting plans here? The presenting plans are the plans which we are going to send into the clients, or we need to show to the clients, or we need to give into the field to the workers. Okay, so that, or the site engineers, so that they can understand the things. Okay, so in the presenting plan, the minimum technical terms will be covered. Okay, technical things will be covered. So we have done these two plans in the last last video. So that is ground floor plan and the first floor plan, which we have done with the how to do the column position or how to draw the column positions, what are the directions and orientations of the column, the sizes, everything we have discussed. And the staircase also we have discussed, how to do the staircase. Okay, how to calculate the number of steps, all that things. Clear? So we'll go with the next part, that is the front elevation and the section. Okay, so we just consider this example as a we are going to do the elevations. We are completed the plans, we doing the elevations, we do the sections, then we just take whatever the site plan will be there. This is a live project which we have already done. Okay, so all the working plans, all the 3D designs, 3D elevations, everything is prepared of this drawing that I will share you after the completion of all these things. Okay, but here we are going to complete here the elevation. We go to the section, we complete the section. For the frame structure, how it will be look, we complete that one. Then we just go for the site plan. We just take the site plan of this one, that is actual live project is there, whatever the site will be there, that site plan we just take that one. Then we go with the working plans also. Okay, all that we try to complete one by one sessions, and we'll complete a huge or complete a full architectural drawings by using this example. Okay, we try to that one, whatever the architectural drawings or working plans, we can say that one which is going on this side, the set of the drawings will try to complete using this example. Okay, so we just take this one. So now we just start the elevation here. Okay, so after the plan, the next procedures, we need to go for the elevation, or we need to draw the elevations. Okay, so once we done the elevation, then we go for the sections, then all the drawings. So we just quickly start that one. So what is the procedure of doing the elevation? So all of you have seen in the last example. So the first step is we need to understand the ground conditions. Okay, so here in this project, the ground condition is the flat. There is no undulation, there is no slope, there is no valley, whatever. It is a flat surface or flat grounds. Okay, so we also just considering this one as a flat ground. Okay, so I just draw a ground line here. You can see this one. This is our ground line. I just move it upper side using the move command. Okay, so this is our ground line. We just consider this one as a ground line, because, and we are assuming that, or not assuming, it is a ground line where this particular structure is built. Okay, so if it is not a straight, if it is a slope, then we need to draw the slope ground. So I just show you like that, or how it will be, whatever the slope will be there, according to that we just draw the slope, and where we need to show, or there we need to show the all that things. Okay, elevation sections. I just show you one example also of the after the completion of this elevation. I just go to my whatever the portfolio, I just go there. I have done one slopy one bungalow on the slopy slab also, or slopy surface also. That also show how we need to do that one, or how we need to show that one. Okay, So once we're done, okay, we have assumed that one, our ground is not assumed, that is our ground is for this particular project, our ground is a flat surface. Okay, I just write here, this is our ground level. I just write ground level GL, that is the short form of ground level, writing the okay, I just increase the size here so that it will be easily visible. Okay, so this is our ground level. So once we done the ground level, what is our next step? So we need to see this one, what elevation we need to draw. So here we are considering the front elevation. So most of the cases in working plan, we need to consider as a front elevations only, or we need to take the front elevation only. So depending upon the, if any in the side elevation, if it is important, then we can show the side elevations also, back elevations also, all that things. Okay, so we just only want to show here, that is the front elevation only, because we are considering the presenting drawing. In the presenting drawing, the minimum criteria is we need to show at least front elevation. Okay, a side elevation, that is optional. If it is required, if it is important, then only we can go with the side elevations. Okay, so ground level we have considered here. This is our ground level. So what is next? So next step, so what is the execution procedure? The first step is excavation. After the excavation, PCC. After the PCC, the foundation. After the foundation will be reached to the ground level. The next step is we need to provide the plinth. Okay, above the plinth there is a superstructure, and above the superstructure there is a slab or roof, and above the roof you can go with the parapet. Okay, here we are considering the frame structure. Okay, so here we just see this one. This is our ground level. So below the ground level, nothing we are going to show in the front elevation, that we are going to show in the section part. Only the above the ground level, whatever the parts will be visible. For example, if you are standing in front of this building, okay, what all things you will be seeing in the front elevation. In the front elevation, whatever the things you will see, all that things we need to show in the elevations. Okay, so now doing the front elevation is a little easier, because only we need to project these lines. Okay, whatever the front elevation lines will be there, that we need to project, and we should know that one in the front elevation the important thing is the levels. What is the ground level, what is the plinth level, what is the lintel level, or what is the sill level, what is the lintel level, what is the slab level, what is the parapet level. Okay, so that levels we need to show first. We just show quickly that levels. Once we done the levels, according to the projection, we just cut down all the things. Okay, so I just go to the notes and I just write here. Okay, I just write here so that you can. So here, so whatever the heights we have taken in this particular building, that I'm just adding here. Okay, why we have taken that one, that also I just tell you. The first one. The first one is, I just give the numbering also, so that you can easily identify that one. Okay, the first one, plinth height, plinth width I just take, height I just take, then we can go with the width. Plinth height, so here we have considered the plinth height as 0.6. we have taken this one, 0.6 meters. Okay, so why we have taken the 0.6 meter? The plinth height is depending upon the water table and depending upon the roads levels. Okay, so the water table is little more here. In the rainy seasons also there is a chances of the water is in the position. So that's why we have taken the 0.6 meter as a height, and the requirement of the client is also the same thing. So he want a little higher foundations, so that's why we are considering the 0.6 meters. Okay, so minimum it should be kept as 0.45, not less than that. Okay, so we can kept as 0.6 meters here. Okay, so next we have considered plinth width. Plinth we have taken here 0.45 meter. Okay, so next lintel, lintel height we have taken here 2.1 meter. Okay, next slab height we have taken here, slab height we have taken here, that is 3.2 meters. Okay, that is also the same thing, the requirement of the client. He want the height of the building is little more, so we have taken here 3.2 meters. Okay, normally we are considering the standard height is 3 meters, not less than that. So standard height is 3 meters, so here we are considering the 3.2 meters slab height. Next, so next parapet. So not parapet, the first floor it will come. Okay, so here the parapet will not come, the first floor will come. Okay, so that dimensions we just add later. So these are the things. So plinth height 0.6 meter, plinth width 0.45 meter, lintel height 2.1 meters, slab height 3.2 meters. Okay, I just go to the drawing, I just draw the levels first. I just use the offset command, offset, press enter. What is the level? Ground level after the plinth level. Level is 0.6 meter. Press enter. Okay, so this is our plinth level. If you want, I just write here so we will not get confused. Plinth level. Okay, so above the plinth level, next height is lintel level, offset 2.1 meter. So this is the bottom of the lintel. Okay, this is the bottom of the lintel, not the top lintel, top of the lintel, bottom of the lintel. Lintel level. Okay, next roof slab height, that is also the bottom of the slab, floor to the bottom of the slab. Offset, that is 3.2 meter, correct? So from where it is, from the floor level, this is our floor level, 3.2 meter. I just check whether it is 3.2. Yes, 3.2 level. I just copy this one, slab level. Okay, so what is the next step? So we have considered, we have drawn all the levels. Next we just project the boundaries. So once we project the boundaries, we just get that one. So if you come to the front elevation here, if you're standing in front of the building, and what all things you will just see. First thing, you see the plinth projection here on both the side, these corners. Next you see this window. Okay, these columns will be hidden. Okay, next you see the main door. Next you see this window. Next, if you see here, the slab projection also you just see here, the veranda you just see, the steps you just see, and these two chhajja projection also you just see, correct? So here I just not drawn the sill level. Okay, so see why we have not drawn the sill level, because for example here you can see this one, W2 and W, there is a two different levels are there. So the sill level for the W is different, the sill level for the W2 is different. Yeah, because of that one we have just not drawn that one, so we'll draw that one also. Okay, we just see here while drawing the elevation. So now I just draw the plinth first. I just go to the construction line. Here you can see this one. Using this construction line, I just project the things. Go to the construction line. You just add at the corner of the this one. Okay, so it is not straight. So for that one, I just on the ortho. I just on the ortho. Press enter. Again, I just want that construction line. So again, to repeat that command, I just press the space so that the same command will come. I just press the space to repeat the previous command. I just press enter. Okay, so this is our plinth boundary. Okay, now I just go to the trim command, and whatever it is not required, I just trim that one. So this is not required, this is not required, so this is also not required. Okay, so this level we just keep. Okay, I just delete. So next I just Next, I go to the construction line again, and I just project the superstructure, all the walls. Go to the here, the corner of the wall, this one, I just projected, press enter. Again, I just go to the construction line, this corner of this wall. Again, I just click, projected. So the from where it is started, from the plinth and above till this slab. I just go to the trim command. Again, whatever things are not required, I just trim that one, and remaining things I just tilt. Okay, our superstructure is ready. So above this superstructure there is a slab, okay, that we will draw later. So next all things are, we need to draw the window, the door, the window, the side chachas and the slab projections. Okay, so now I just draw the window. No, I just draw the door first. Okay, because our sill level is not decided, so I just draw the door first. I just go here, go to the again construction line, I just click on the construction line. So this is the one end of the door, press enter, and again to repeat that command I just press the space. Again this another end of the door, the two end of the doors I just projected here. Okay, so what is the height of the door? The height of the door, I just go here, I just show you here. So here the height of the door is 2.1 meter, that is main door. All the doors height is 2.1 meter. Okay, so we just take 2.1 meter, that is bottom level of the lintel. Remaining things I just trim this one, I just trim this one, this was I don't want. Okay, delete it. So I just draw the door over here. Next what we want, okay, so door I have drawn, this wall also drawn. Okay, now I just draw the two windows. First one is W2 and first another one is W. I just draw the W2 here. Okay, to draw the W2 I need to first draw the sill level of the W2. What is the sill level of the W2? I just go and check that one. So here you can see this one. The size of the windows, that is 1.4 meter by 1.2 meter. 1.4 meter is the width of the window. 1.2 meter is the depth of the window. Okay, from the bottom of the lintel or from the lintel level, it is 1.2 meter depth. Okay, so that is our sill level for the W2, and 1.6 meter from the lintel level. The depth of the window is 1.6 meter. So that level is our sill level of the W. Okay, I just draw the sill level of the W2 first. I just go here, that is 1 point, how much? 1.2. okay, offset 1.2, press enter. Okay, so this is our sill level of the W2, and now I just extend this window from these corners. 1, press enter, again repeat the space, again I just extend, press enter. Okay, here our W2, I just trim. Okay, so extra parts I just delete. So lintel level should be there only, we want that one. Okay, so this is our W2. Next, what is our W1? Oh, sorry, W. Again, sill level I just draw first, that is 1.6 meter, the depth of the W, and I just go to the offset command, press enter. 1.6, press enter. Okay, now I just extend the W. I go here, click on this corner, press enter, and again click on this corner, press enter. So remaining part I just trim. 1, 2, okay. Okay, so next I just come to the front elevation. So plinth is over, the superstructures is over, the W is over, the main door is W2 is over, main door is over, and W is over, another window is over. Okay, then again what is visible here? So in the front side, this veranda and the steps, correct? So I just extend these steps on veranda. So this is our steps projection. I just enter here and repeat the same command, press enter. So where our steps will come? The steps will come from the ground level to the plinth level. Only the steps will be there. Okay. So here I just considering the depth of the step is 0.15 meter. I just go to the offset command and 0.15, that is the risers 1, 2, 3 and 4, and just trim the extra parts. Let's draw this one. Okay, steps we have drawn. The steps is full. Okay, so next, what is visible here? We are just seeing these two chhajjas and the slab projection, right? So this chhajja, W2 chhajja and W1 chhajja. I just draw that one chhajja projection here at the lintel level. So I just use the line command. I just go to the line command. What is the chhajja projection? That is 0.6, or you can project the line from here also, or just you are knowing that one, right? So just take 0.6, 0.6, press enter. What is the height of the chhajja at the end? It is 0.1. And what is the height of the chhajja, or what is the thickness of the chhajja at the start? That is 0.15. Offset 0.15, and from here using the line command I just draw this one, join this one. So here you can see this one, a slight slope. You can see this one. This slight slope we need to provide to maintain the whatever the rainwater will be, that can be easily drained off. For that purpose, the side slope we are providing here. Go to the line command. Again, I can draw here also, or we can mirror this one also. Okay. So if you want to mirror, then exactly the center you want. Okay, I just show you how to do the mirror also. Okay, I just delete this one. If I delete, Control Z. Okay, so here I just select this one, go to the mirror command. I just click on mirror. The center is, this is our center. From here you want to erase, no, and here you can see this one. I just join this, correct, the chhajja. Okay, so again you just come here, W2 and W1. So what is the depth? W2, from here I just take offset 1.2. Okay, I just show the chhajja drops. I just consider 0.31, this one, and you can go with the any style of the chhajja drop. Okay, so I am giving this one. Okay, and here it is, what is that? W1. So what is the depth of W1? That is 1.4. Okay, I just draw here, offset 1.4, enter, and from here it is, and here it is this, correct? I just break these points, break these levels, so you can easily understand. Okay, so this remaining I just check. This is how our front elevation will look. The slab thick, what else remaining? The slab thickness and the slab projection. That also I just show here. What is the slab thickness? Offset 0.125 we have taken here. Thickness of the slab. I just write here. Slab thickness. Why we have taken 0.125? Because most of the cases in residential buildings we are considering the slab thickness as 0.125 meter as per the structural safety. We are considering this one. If it is a commercial or if it is any other public buildings and all, in that case we are considering this slab thickness as 0.15 or more than that one, depending upon the structural design. Okay, so I just project this one point. Just take line command 0.3, not 0.3, 0.45. Slab projection is 0.45. 0.45, press enter. 0.12125, press enter. 0.45, press enter. Similarly, the slab projection here 0.45, enter. 0.125, press enter. 0.45, press enter. So here it is, W2, W, and the slab projections, all that things. Okay, so if you see the ground floor, so all the things we have covered. We have covered this one, we have covered the W2, we have covered the main door, we have covered the window and projections, everything we have covered. Okay, so now you just ask me here, if we come to the veranda, so you can ask me here, we can provide the railings over here, all that things, right? So for this building, this is our live project, right? For this building, we have not provided any railings here. We have not provided any railings to the veranda. It is an open veranda. Okay, so that's why I just kept open here. Okay, for the windows, we just provide the frames here. For the door also frame, and here it is also frame, and it is a wooden windows and doors. Okay, and whatever the aesthetic things are there, that depending upon that one. So we are not most focusing on the aesthetic things. Okay, that depends upon the project to project, it will be changed. Okay, so now we just quickly draw the first floor. So the ground floor is over here. Now we just quickly draw the first floor. I just come to the first floor here, and I will just check what all things will be visible. So I just check here. In the first floor there is a gallery. Okay, these two columns also visible, correct? These two columns. Here there is no window. Okay, and so here the slab projection, the gallery projection, and this window projection we can see. Okay, so I will just want to tell you one thing. So here we have provided one window. Here we have provided in window in the live project, I'm saying. So in the live project here we have provided one window, okay, of height full, okay, full height, 2.1 meter height of window we have provided here, but we have not shown in the plan. Okay, I just show here. I just delete the, oh, okay, I just delete this one. From this end to this end we have provided one window. That size of the window I just write here. We can consider another size, that is window W3, a huge window we have provided over here. This size is 1.6 by 2.1 meter. Okay, so we just show in the plan and we just show in the elevation also. From this corner that we have provided in the plan, I just use the offset command 1.6 Okay, and I show the railings, and I just change the color also. Window color we have taken as red. So I just give the naming also for this. I just copy this one here, W3. Now I just hatch the wall quickly. Okay, from here, okay, so we are hatched, okay, everything. So now we just come to the first floor in the elevation. So what we see, we just see the gallery, these two columns, this door also we just see, this window also we just see, and these projections, the gallery projection, the slab projection, and this window projection we see. Okay, so I just start from here. Okay, I just, if I use the extend command, okay, I just use the extend command, I just draw here and I can join here also, or I directly using the, or I directly measuring the distance, I can draw here also. Anything I can do, whichever is easy for you. Okay, so we just see, we'll try something new about this slab. I just extended this line. Okay, any method you can do, that is depending upon you. Directly you can draw by measuring the distances, and you can draw that one, or you just copy paste that one also. I just use this one. I just extend these things and I just draw first floor, and then move this first floor and I join here. Okay, we just see how we do that one. I just go to the construction line. So what is extending here? The first floor slab. Okay, then this column also visible. Okay, so then this door. Okay, this column. Okay, and this end window. Okay, and this end window. Okay, this extended part. Okay, this gallery extensions. Okay, this chajja extension. Okay, chajja extension, slab extension we just show later. So now, so what is the height of the first floor slab? The same height we have maintained for the first floor slab also, that is 3.2 meters. So I just draw offset 3.2, enter, 3.2, enter. So this is our slab. I just trim this one, extra parts we don't want. Okay, so you don't get confused here. What is the lintel height? 2.1 meter. I just offset 2.1 meter. Okay, so two levels I have drawn here, lintel level and this one. Now I just one by one I just draw the column. The column is from the floor level to the slab level. We have see the columns. Okay, so this is our column level. So till here we need to draw that one. I just trim this. I just trim this one. The column level you have drawn. Next, door from lintel level to the floor level, 2.1 meters. Okay, and I just draw, this one is our door level. Trim, enter, enter, enter. Okay, enter, trim, trim. Okay, so this is our drone column. Next, another column is there here. I just project, I have already projected, but we trim that one. This is our another column beside the door. We have shown that one. Trim, trim. Next, if you come to the window, the height, the width is 1.6 and the height is 2.1 meter, as the same as the door only. We have taken the full size window over here. So we have taken full size window here. Okay. Next, so this one, this is the superstructure. We have drawn that one. Okay, and here this is the gallery projection. So in the gallery we just see the railings. So I just draw the railings height as 1 meter. And just trim, trim, trim. Okay, so now what is that? Slab offset 0.125 is the slab thickness. I just draw the slab thickness. Now we just need to project the slab here. So here you can see this one. After the gallery, the slab projection is 0.45 and here it is 0.45. I just delete this one, whichever is not required. I just project the slab here, 0.45, thickness is 0.125, and this one 0.45. Press enter. Again I just go here, 0.45, press enter, 0.125, press enter, 0.45. Okay, so about the slab, there is a parapet. I'm just considering the parapet from this wall level, and height of the parapet I'm just considering 1 meter. Again press enter, and already it is provided 1 meter only. Okay, so these things we have drawn. Okay, so now what we need to do? So now we just move this one and we just paste over here. Where we need to paste, I just tell you here, this our superstructure level, the wall level, and just copy this one, select this one, go to the move command, click on the move. I just click on the reference point, and above the wall I just moved, and this slab level I just delete, and I just delete. Oh, okay, so here also we need to move this slab. Move and extend, EX, enter. Okay, so here you can see this one. So this is our door, this is our window, these are the two columns, the slab, the gallery projections, and all that things. And what else remaining? Window projection. This window projection we need to do. Okay, so what is the window height? W1, that is 1.4 meters. I just checked. Okay, height of the W1 is 1.4 meter. Okay, I just come here. From lintel level it is 1.4 meters. So this is our lintel, right? So 1.4. Using the line command or using the offset command. What is the sajja projection? 0.6. Thickness of sajja 0.1, and here 0.15, and again I just, this drop design I can do anything. Okay, so here you can see this one. Again the slab level and the lintel level, I just copy this one. Okay, so now here our front elevation. Okay, so here you can see this one. In the ground floor everything we have covered, and in the first floor also we just covered all the things, slab projection, gallery, and this one railings, windows, doors, everything. So here you can see, observe one thing, in the gallery we are providing the railings here, so we need to show the railings here. So in the first floor, from column to column we are providing the railings, from this column to this column, and from this column to this column. I just go here, What is the height of the railings? I'm just considering 1 meter. So here also just considering 1 meter. The same thing. Offset 1 meter. Trim. I just trim. Okay, this is our railing. What we have provided here. Okay, so this is the minimum things we need to cover in the front elevations. Okay, now I just give all the levels here. What is the heights? I just let you move this one so that I need to show the height. Okay, I just go to the dimensions command, linear, next. Okay, so these are the heights and the levels. Okay, so this is our structure or the elevation, how it will be. I'm not done any aesthetic here, any elevational design I'm not done, nothing we've done. Okay, so now what else things we need to show here is, so we need to show the door and windows, whatever things will be there. So we are considering here the door and windows as a wooden doors and windows that I've just shown here, the frames for the doors and the windows, and this is our column. So in the hatching purpose also, so in the elevation we are not doing any hatching over here. Okay, so you can go with the aesthetic drawings or aesthetic hatching also, you can do that one, but we are not doing anything over here. Okay, so if you want, I just show that one. Offset 0.1, we can consider a frame thickness. For this also, again this window. Okay, so I just trim. Trim this one, this one. Okay, I just delete the extra lines. Okay, so I just draw here. There is one frame is there in the middle. Okay, but this we have considered the full length or full fixed windows over here. Fixed windows, it is not openable windows, it is a fixed window, so that it will be easy to enter the light. Okay, for the light purpose we have provided that one. Over here. Okay, again the door. For the door I just draw the offset. So the offset. So what is the thickness of the door? So the thickness of the door frame. Okay, so for the window frame we have considered 0.1. Okay, and the thickness of the door frame we have considered in this project, that is 0.15. All the three sides and the top. Depending upon the design and depending upon the requirement of the client, we can go with this one. Okay, so this is our frame, and here, so in the top we are just considering the 0.1 only in the front door we are considering 0.15. Trim. I just trim all these things. Okay, so I consider this one as a door, as a fixed door. Sorry, not fixed door, fully panel door. and the windows are having the two shutters here, for the two shutters here, and this is a fixed glass. I just go to the hatch, I just draw the glass here. So go to the glass hatching. So here you can see this one, glass hatching. So just click here. Okay, I just consider the okay, scale factor 0.1, 0.05. But it's not coming. I just check. It's not taking this. And I just go here. It's not taking, or I don't know exactly. So the hash scale is not taking. So this is how much? 1. On the gradient also you can show the glass, but we don't want to show that one. Okay. Okay, and for the aesthetic also you can go with the different designs also. For example, foundation. I just show the foundation as a gravel. Okay, I just show the foundation as gravel. Then for the column, I just give one design. Just see. Like this on hexa. Any design you can give to the columns. I just give this design for the column. I just check the glass one more time. So this is the glass hatching. Like this, we need to show the glass. Again, I just go here wherever the glass is there. 1. It is not taking here. 0.05. It's just delete. Okay, now it is coming. I just click add pick point. Okay, here, and rather than that you can show any other design for the elevation sections, all that things you can do that one. Okay, I just write here, this is our front elevation. Okay, so all the things we have covered in the front elevation, that is the minimum things we need to cover that one. The main things is we need to cover in the front elevation are the levels, okay, and the whatever the in the front, whatever the dimensions of the doors and windows will be there, and any aesthetic things will be there, correct? Any projections are there, any aesthetic things will be there, that we need to show in the front elevations. Okay, but nowadays what happened in the field, I just tell you. So whatever the working drawings will be there, in the working drawings most of the cases we are not providing any aesthetic things. Okay, so only we are providing the levels in the so to understand in the time of execution they can understand the levels, we just provide these levels, and we just provide the structural components also. Like if it is a slope slab will be there, then we just need to show that one, what is this slope of the slope slab and all that things. Okay, and if any chhajja levels will be changing, sometimes what happened, the chhajja levels of the balconies and chhajja level of the windows that differs, that also we need to show, or any chhajja designs if it is that also we need to show. All that things will be there, that all things we just show in the working drawings. And for the aesthetic purpose, most of the cases or most of the designers will go for the 3D elevation by using the different softwares. You can use the 3ds Max, you can use the Revit, Architect, nowadays Grosshoppers, all that different softwares are there. Using that one, they'll just go for the 3D elevation drawings, and there they will show all the aesthetic drawings. Okay, there any materials they have added, whether any tiles over there they have added, any aesthetic things will be there, they will show in the 3D elevation. Only the 2D elevation, whatever the things are important as per the technical point of view, only that much we need to show that one, so that using that working drawings we can go with the execution. Okay, so whatever the aesthetic time or aesthetic design will be there, that will come in the time of finishing. Okay, after the structure will be ready, once the finishing work will start, in that cases we want all that aesthetic things. Okay, so that's why we just go, or we just show in the we just show in the 3D elevations, the aesthetic things are there. So here in the front elevation only this much things we are going to show. Okay, so this is how we need to show the front elevation. Okay, so next one is the section part. Next section part will just continue in the next video. Okay, thank you all.